Look for loose, sugar-like sandy mounds and disturbed soil patches where ants prefer to start colonies. Ants select nesting sites based on soil texture, moisture, and exposure, so learn to read those cues. Sandy, loose soil with a granular, sugar-like appearance often signals newly formed nests because it drains well and is easy for ants to excavate. Compacted clay that cracks in dry weather can hide deep galleries, so probe cracks at the soil surface and along foundation edges with a small screwdriver to detect activity. Moist, organic-rich beds near vegetation attract species that prefer humidity, so inspect the base of shrubs and inside mulched perimeter beds for clods of fine soil or tiny entrances. Focus inspections on sunny, well-drained patches because many common lawn ants build surface mounds there, and pay close attention to areas adjacent to walkways and vegetable beds where soil is disturbed more often. Use a hand lens or magnifying glass to confirm the presence of fine soil pellets and worker activity, and mark suspected sites to monitor growth over 1 to 2 weeks. For treatment, physically remove a small nest if it is isolated by raking out the loose soil and replacing it with compacted soil or mulch. And for persistent colonies, target baiting near the entrance during peak foraging times in the early morning and late afternoon. Common mistakes include dismissing small, sugar-like mounds as harmless when those are early nests that will expand rapidly, so check mounds and mark them for follow-up rather than ignoring them. Another error is treating only the visible surface without addressing the surrounding foraging areas, which leaves satellite nests and foragers active, so place baits along ant trails and around perimeter beds to intercept workers returning to the nest. A third concern is misidentifying nest type by soil appearance alone because some species nest under stones or in root cavities, so always inspect under landscape rocks, at the base of trees, and inside dense mulch, and probe cracks along foundations to locate less obvious entrances. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and for contractors to connect with nearby work opportunities related to pest control and landscape repair. We also host a discussion community where people share field observations, treatment experiences, and local soil tips so we can learn from each other.